Hi, Stella here. Welcome back to my studio again. I know I've done this so many times, but guess what? I actually have a new intro, and this is it. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am a multimedia artist based in the United States, and I pretty much run my art career as a business startup because to me, when there's a transaction, that's business. I don't really just create because I feel like it and put my art there hoping that it will sell and someone will like it. No, I actually do a lot of strategic and long-term business planning and thinking. And the whole point of having this channel, actually two channels now, one is called Art by Stella Chang, where I share more of my creative process behind the scene. And the other one is called Art Business or Art Biz by Stella Chang, where I actually show you the thought process, long-term thinking and planning that goes into supporting that creative idea that you see on a piece of paper. And my cat totally just walked by. Hey, fool. Anyways, that's my intro. All right, it's 14C art fair time. And as a certified INFJ introvert, the thought of small talk with strangers makes me want to disappear. So here's my secret, a quarter cup of white wine. Just enough to turn please don't talk to me into hello, my name is Stella Chen and welcome to my show. Okay, jokes aside, this video is all about mastering the chaos of exhibiting. Why art fairs actually matter and how to turn them into a legit career boost. Now grab a glass and follow me. Rule number 1, never go alone. Go with your tribe. Here's my Tava clan rolling deep. Equal parts moral support, brutally honest opinions, and excellent snack shares. And always arrive early. Oh my gosh, I think I found them. My two broken glass babies. There they are! They are painted on 2 to 3 layers of intentionally broken glass panels. The whole concept is that we're all a little broken. We carry our cracks, our fissures, our past. But we keep going. We create beauty, not despite the scars, but because of them. Think the Japanese technique, kintsugi, where you use gold or silver liquid to repair broken pottery by highlighting the cracks instead of hiding them. That's the soul of this work. These pieces are about embracing your trauma, your healing, and owning the parts of yourself that aren't perfect. Because real strength isn't flawlessness. It's surviving, showing up, and still daring to shine. One of my favorite parts of doing an art fair like 14C, honestly, is getting to walk around and check out everyone else's work. Like, yeah, I'm here to exhibit, but I'm also here to learn. Step 1, be inspired. You'll be amazed at the creativity people bring to these shows. New materials, bold ideas, different ways of mixing colors, and sometimes even concepts that made me go, wait, why didn't I think about that? Step 2, make connections, because let's be real, this art world is 30% talent and 70% knowing someone who knows someone. I can't tell you how many times a casual hello at a booth or wall or corner turned into a group show invite or newsletter that led to an open call. And step 2, let's not forget, use this art fair or show to invite people you'd like to meet, like curators, gallerists, art admins, collectors, whoever they are. It is not always about the immediate sale, but the connection, that moment of, oh, I remember your work. That can open doors down the line. And you never know if it's this person you met at a previous show that ends up sending you an open call request. And don't forget, galleries exhibit at these fairs too. This is one of the rare times where you can actually walk up, say hi, introduce yourself, and maybe even invite them to check out your work. Just make sure to catch them at a quiet moment. Please don't interrupt a sale in progress. We're trying to build bridges, not burn them. Next thing you know, boom, you're on their mailing list. You're learning about their upcoming open calls, group shows, even solo exhibition opportunities. People always ask, how do you know this person? Well, guys, this is how. Hustling. In lipstick and maybe slightly blistered feet, but still hustling.
Woke up in the morning feeling low again. Dressed up in my garment feeling no shame. Sun is up and making me feel whole again. Me, myself, and I play in the right game.
And if I find an artist doing work similar to mine, I absolutely join their mailing list. I want to know, A, which galleries are showing their work, and B, what residencies or open calls are they applying to? Because odds are, if they are landing those opportunities, there's a good chance I could too. Take a moment to analyze the foot traffic. Is it steady or sporadic? What's the crowd vibe? Young art lovers? Middle-aged collectors? Retired folks looking for a statement piece for the summer home? You gotta know, what are they buying? Is it big ticket painting or small affordable works? Giftable items? Prints? Coming with a mental checklist. Observe, and most importantly, ask yourself, do I fit here? Does my art fit here? Look for those little red dots. Yep, the sales sticker. Who is selling? What kind of art is moving? Is it abstract, figurative, a moody hybrid of both? What's the price range? 200 prints or $4,000 originals? Is sculpture flying off the plinth or just collecting dusts? I always give an art fair 2 days. Day 1, feel the energy, soak in the visuals. Quietly take notes, the mental checklist that I talked about before. Day 2, you talk. Talk to everyone. When artists are in between waves of visitors and taking their breaks, I will usually ask, A, how's the show going for you? B, do you feel it's worth the money? C, would you do it again next year? 9 times out of 10, artists will share openly, especially if you are genuine, and that's how you learn. Because remember, you're not just attending an art fair, you're auditing it. You're collecting data for your future self. You're building a checklist that includes 1. Sellability. What's the traffic like? Is there buzz and exposure? 2. Networking potential. Did you meet anyone you want to meet again? 3. Cost versus return. Booth price, your time, your energy, and what you are getting back. So don't just come in, feel overwhelmed, and ghost out. Make the show work for you. Now, shout out to all my friends who were either exhibiting or who came to support me. Thank you all so much. And special thank you to the 14C Art Fair who actually painted the freaking wall gold behind my paintings. Amazing. Thank you. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please like, share, or subscribe to my channel. And if you have any other questions, just leave a comment below and I will get to it. If more than one, or actually more than 3 people leave a comment about the same thing, I may very well do another video about it. If you would like to book me for a private consultation, the booking link is in the description box down below. Alright, thank you so much. See you at my next video. Ciao!